Good morning. Good morning. Tesla analysis for Monday, the June 2nd, and we're looking at a daily chart of Tesla here, which is in a bullish channel so far that we have seen, and this has been a real money maker for times. People, when they were down here, Tesla stockholders were down here at 200 levels. This was the sideways motion that it did between March till April 24th. And then after that, in the sideways motion in this channel, it started breaking out to the upside. What we're looking here is the upside movements of Tesla. And let's take a look at its 1 hour chart, and that gives you much more clarity. So this was also a sideways channel here within this upward channel, and then it broke out here by one day, gaps up, and then on almost on May the 13th, it started moving in the sideways channel. It broke out here on May the 27th, and then it went up here, made a high of 367, and now it's kind of resting on this channel. There was a sell-off almost, it was 11 points down here. As long as the Tesla stays in this channel, we have a bullish take, and the trend is always going to be bullish for Tesla. If it starts breaking this thing, we're looking at it this in a different fashion here. If this channel is broken, it may go sideways for a little bit and then come back again. There are a lot of news here on Tesla these days. Dan Ives, who is the biggest market maker for, I believe, for Tesla, and he does have from the Wedbush Securities. He has been on CNBC, and he has been talking to a lot of good things here. If you watch those things, we did not include those tidbits here, but he is basically giving it a 500 target now because it has already achieved the target that he has placed 350. So there is going to be a lot of things that are taking place. Elon Musk has moved away from the Doge supposedly this week, last week on Friday. There was a ceremony that we have seen. And so these are the news that are swirling around this stock. And that also affects its technicals. With those good news and Tesla coming up with the taxi, FSD, taxi, robo taxi, and all these news, this could propel this stock much higher towards the 400 levels. But we just have to watch this channel. If it starts breaking, you could go to the sideways and it can still drop here to the 325 levels. That is what is happening to this. Let's take a look at some of the inside workings of the stock market. Let's say take a look at WIX, which is fear gauge. And as you can see, the WIX has kind of petered down here to 18.7 now. And this has been happening here because we had these huge surpasses of WIX and spikes here back in April. Now they're down to here at 3, about 18.7. So the WIX under, as long as it stays under 20, Tesla will do well. Let's also take a look at the SPX. SPX has inverted head and shoulders here, which is bullish. This is a peak here, this is a peak head, and then there is another head forming here, and then this moved up higher, but it pulled back a little bit, and now it's again trying to go up higher. I I wouldn't be surprised if we see 6,000 levels very soon in S&P. And if that happens, what will happen to the Tesla stock? Let's take a look at it. Tesla stock will definitely benefit from that movement. The market conditions are getting better, and as long as the mass market stays positive, we could be anticipating here Tesla breakouts again or sideways motion. This was the breakout. This is where 367 it made, and then it has put a candle down here, a red candle on Friday. Nobody knows what will happen on Monday, but most likely it will bounce back and hopefully it'll stay in this channel. As long as it stays in this channel, we have a good way to go. And Tesla would definitely will make a lot more sense. So this is what the technicals are here. I will get back to you on this again. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. It helps a lot and it motivates us to make videos for you and give you the technical analysis. I am in Tesla. I have been throughout it, and I have ridden this thing from 200 and levels here, 221 levels up to now. So that's all for today, and that's all for tomorrow, May June the 2nd, and I will see you next time.